yourself because we have so much going on behind the stage, so much, and we can't wait to unravel them right in front of your eyes. And we hope you enjoy it. Lastly, thank you so much for being with us, basically, like from the very beginning up until now. And we hope we stay together as a team, as a like complete setback, so we can go forward and forward in tonight's event and even in the future as we stay together, holding each one of us together as we move ahead. So, lastly, thank you so much for being with us. And we wish that as the legacy continues, you stay with us and we are all together a team. Thank you so much for attending this event and thank you so much for your kind time and precious attention once again. Moving over to you, Varsha.
Tonight is going to be a vibrant tapestry of talent woven with the traits of dance, music, drama, and joy. Each performance you will witness today is a result of weeks of hard work, rehearsals, and pure passion. This stage will come alive with the riots of colors, rhythm, and energy. From traditional dances to modern fusion, from inspirational skips to melodious tunes, every act is a glimpse into the creativity and spirit of our students. So,
Moving on further,
जहाँ शब्द रुक जाते हैं वहाँ नृत्य बोलता है और आज के शाम की शुरुआत होने जा रही है एक सुंदर स्वागत नृत्य के साथ এই নৃত্য মাধ্যমରେ ଆମ କଳାକାରମାନେ ଜଣାଇ ଦେବେ ଆମେ ଶିଳ୍ପୀ ଆମେ କଳ୍ପନା we are artists we are imagination.
as we move on further, Odia Sanskriti Kolara Garba, we have to remember that a fusion of show, a performance that reflects our deep-rooted Odia culture, heritage, and tradition.
So let's get ready to witness a performance full of grace, tradition, and energy.
So please brace yourself as you clutch to the edge of your seat as you take on a wild ride of a night because the enthusiasm is real.
So without any further ado,
Please welcome
our talented performers to perform Ame Silpi, Ame Kalpana
with a huge round of applause.
kita jam tari kita jam tari kita jam tari jam tari jam tari jam tari jam tari jam tari jam ta jam tari jam ta jam tari jam ta jam tari jam.
वन्दे उत्कल जननी। सुशोभिततीरा शुभ्रतटिनी कुलशिखरसमीरा जननी 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 वन्दे उत्कल जननी वन्दे उत्कल जननी घन घन वन भूमि राजित अंगे नील भूधर माला साजित रंगे कळ कळ मुखरित चारु विहंगे जननी 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 वन्दे उत्कल जननी वन्दे उत्कल जननी वन्दे उत्कल जननी।